If you're paying someone $5,000 a month to handle tasks that an AI tool can do in seconds, this video is going to be uncomfortable to watch. Because I'm about to show you 10 tools that are doing exactly that, right now. For pennies. And no, this isn't about replacing people for the sake of it. It's about what happens when a solo operator or a small business owner gets access to the same firepower that used to cost a full salary. Stick around to the end because tool number 7 is the one most people sleep on. And it's probably the most valuable one on this list. I've spent the last few months testing AI tools specifically for one question. What can actually replace a recurring business expense? Not just cool demos, real workflows, real time saved, real money back in your pocket. Here's what I found. Tool 1. Jasper AI, your content writer. Hiring a content writer to produce blogs, emails, and social posts can run you $1,500 to $2,000 a month easy. Jasper does it in minutes. You give it a topic, a tone, a target audience, and it outputs a full draft. Not perfect every time, but 80% of the way there, which means instead of writing from scratch, you're just editing. For solopreneurs producing content consistently, this one pays for itself fast. Tool 2. Zapier with AI, your operations assistant. A good operations assistant keeps your business running, routing tasks, connecting tools, following up on things that fall through the cracks. Zapier's AI features now let you build automations in plain English. You describe what you want to happen. When I get a new lead in my CRM, draft a follow-up email and add it to my task list. And it builds the workflow. No code, no VA. Just running in the background while you focus on other things. Tool 3. Notion AI, your project manager. Project managers cost money. Notion AI doesn't. It summarizes meeting notes, writes project briefs, tracks action items, and keeps everything organized inside a workspace your whole operation already lives in. If you're already using Notion, turning on the AI layer is a no-brainer. Tool 4. ChatGPT or Claude, your research analyst. Before AI, getting solid research on a competitor, a market, or a topic meant either doing it yourself, which takes hours, or paying someone to do it. Now you prompt it. You get a structured breakdown in 2 minutes, not a replacement for deep expert analysis, but for 80% of the research tasks a small business actually needs. It covers it. Tool 5. Descript, your video editor. Video editors are one of the most expensive freelance hires out there. Good ones charge $50 to $100 per video minimum. Descript lets you edit video like a Word document. You delete words from the transcript, and the video cut happens automatically. It also removes filler words, generates captions, and exports ready for YouTube. It won't replace a high-end editor for complex productions, but for talking head or narration-style content, it handles it. Tool 6. ElevenLabs or SpeechFlow, your voiceover artist. Professional voiceover used to mean paying per finished minute of audio. For a 10-minute video that adds up fast, these tools generate natural-sounding narration from any script in about 2 minutes. You pick a voice, paste your script, and download the file. Quality has gotten to the point where most viewers can't tell the difference. Tool 7. Otter.ai, your executive assistant. Here's the one most people overlook. An executive assistant's main job is making sure nothing falls through the cracks, capturing what was said in meetings, turning it into action items, following up. Otter.ai joins your calls automatically, transcribes everything in real time, generates a summary, and pulls out the action items. It connects to Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams. If you're running client calls or team meetings, this one saves you hours every single week. And it costs less than a lunch. Tool 8. Canva AI, your graphic designer. Graphic designers for ongoing content, social posts, thumbnails, presentations can run $1,000 to $1,500 a month for consistent output. Canva's AI features let you generate images, resize designs automatically for different platforms, and use the Magic Write tool to draft copy directly inside your designs. Combined with their template library, most small businesses can cover 90% of their design needs here. Tool 9. Copy.ai, your copywriter. Good copywriters are expensive because good copy makes money. But not every piece of copy needs to be a masterpiece. Product descriptions, email sequences, ad variations, landing page drafts. Copy.ai handles the volume work, so your time, or your copywriter's time, if you have one, goes toward the high-stakes pieces only. Tool 10. Tidio or Intercom with AI, your customer support rep. A part-time customer support person answering the same questions over and over costs real money every month. AI chat tools now handle FAQs, route complex issues to you, and respond instantly at any hour. Tidio has a generous free tier. Intercom's AI layer handles more complex support flows. For e-commerce or service businesses getting repetitive inquiries, this one is an immediate win. So there you have it, 10 tools, each one covering a function that used to require a salary, a freelancer, or hours of your own time. Now, are these tools perfect? No. Do they replace deep expertise and relationships? Absolutely not. But for a solopreneur or small team trying to punch above their weight, this stack changes what's possible. If you want to see exactly how to set up any one of these tools for your specific business, let me know in the comments.